What's up, everybody? Today I want to give you guys a quick walkthrough of the program just to kind of give you guys an insider look on basically what you will be joining when you join the C2W community inside of our Discord. So that being said, let's just hop right in. I want to make this as quick and efficient as possible for you guys. So when you first join, you're going to see this welcome message. Just simply an introduction for you guys joining the program. Below that, you're going to see daily credit news, where this is where I just upload that daily credit news. Anything that's new in the credit industry, the finance industry, anything happening with the credit bureaus, I will upload that article into here so you guys can be up to date and see what's going on in the credit world. Below that is just our testimonials and achievement tab, where you post just achievements and your testimonial of just being inside the community. So for example, we have someone who just started their first LLC. We have somebody who went up 320 points being here for only a month. We have credit limit increase from 23,000 to 31,000. Just a bunch of testimonials of people just being inside of the community, just to show, of course, social proof and to motivate one another to keep pushing and thriving for the best inside the community. Below that, we have our weekly meetings. This is where I will post our Zoom link to our meetings. We meet every Sunday at 5 p.m. Central Time and every Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Time. And every meeting is recorded and will be posted up here. And if you missed a meeting, you can always go to the playlist, and it has all of our meetings recording in that playlist. And I'm just now starting to upload them here directly, so you can just right here without even having to go to the playlist. Hey, Thursday, October 2nd meeting. I missed that meeting. Let me click on the meeting. Next we have is our VIP chat, where this is just where we have casual conversation. You have any questions, I will answer them in here. Just anything you want to talk about with outside the meetings, this is where we communicate. We talk in here almost every single day, and even we have a good time in here. As you can see, we laugh a lot in here. We have good talks in here, so it's not even always about credit. Now, I do recommend, if you do have a question about credit, ask it in here, but like I said, we're a community, we're a family, we have a good time in this group chat. It's just a bunch of people with an end goal of being rich off of credit, but also we're human. You know, we're gonna have a good time in here as well. So make sure you ask all the questions you have in here, or if you just want to spark up a conversation with a community member, that's no issue as well. Next we have is the courses. Now I have about 100 video courses, and this is the private YouTube playlist for both the new and the old videos. And also we have the graphs of those lessons. So these are the graphs that I go over in those lessons on those videos, all right here for you to download and for you to study and have on your own. Below that, we have a bunch of PDF guides here, some ebooks right here, more ebooks right here, and then the Credit X library is a bunch. This is about, I want to say, 75 PDF guides of just a bunch of random information. It goes from credit to trust to bank accounts to different business structures, business credit, anything when it comes to finances. These are the PDF guides to go to. That's going to teach you how to do it and what it is exactly. Below that, I just integrated a content hub, where this is basically all my resources on how I grew my content and my platform. We have clippers, we have people who help with YouTube, thumbnails, editing, designs, and also have my graphic designer that's about to join here in a minute. He still has to set up his welcome message, but he's still in here, and he's the person who makes my graphics that I post on my Instagram to sell my product. But I want to add this in here just to help people like yourself. You know, if you guys want to leverage content for your business, like how I did, you guys have those resources as well. And that's all that's included in the basic VIP mentorship. Now, if you get the gold VIP mentorship, you're going to get access to the gold VIP section. And what is that? This is where you're going to get credit repair done. And this is unlimited credit repair. Meaning, let's say you get your credit repair and you go to a dealership and they run your credit, and now you have a bunch of hard inquiries. You can always come back without paying extra to get it repaired again. Or if you have another late payment, if you have a bankruptcy that comes up later, whatever the case may be, as long as you're in the Gold VIP mentorship, you don't have to worry about repaying for anything. You're a part of the high tier community that you're going to always have access to this credit repair. Now, when you join the Gold VIP mentorship for credit, first thing you're going to do is what we need for you. You're going to click here, you're going to put in your name, email, phone number, and then it's going to send you an email, and that's where you're going to put in all your personal information. Once you do that, we don't need nothing else from you. You're going to come to this section right here, and you're just going to ask for updates the whole time. And Bruce is going to be our team leader, and either him or me are going to be in here giving you updates, and you just ask for an update, and we will update you. Now, if it's a personal question, of course, you can just DM us personally, but if it's just kind of general, you can just come in here. Just like, for example, right here. Hey, quick question. Some people that hit me have multiple accounts that add up to over 20K, and so on and so forth with the rest of his question. But regardless, if you just got questions, either me, as you see, I answered it, or Bruce will answer it. This is where you want to be at. And right below, you have access to our personal funding relationship manager, which is Christian. Now, Christian helps you with applications with personal funding. whether it's Amex, Citibank, Chase. He works with all major banks to help you step by step on the application to help you get approved. So when I help people get personal funding, this is who I use, and you have direct access to them now, not only for yourself, but even if you have clients, if you're in your own credit repair business, you can leverage them for that as well. This is where you want to be at if you wanted to get funding. So if you have Gold VIP access, you get access to unlimited credit repair and personal funding as well, along with everything that's included in the standard VIP mentorship. Yeah, I want to give you guys a quick run through of the community because I understand that, especially in my niche, my industry, credit, and then just coaches alone, they have kind of like a bad rep. And I know you guys want to see what you're getting yourselves into. So that's why I made this quick rundown. I do have another longer video that's a little bit more detailed about everything, but I did want to give you guys a quick rundown of what the community is, what you're getting access to, and how it's set up and how it looks to see if this would be a good fit for you guys.